Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this fun, super glam Valentine's Day look with a twist. I'm gonna be focusing really heavy on the eye today. I tried to make it really easy to follow along, so hopefully you guys can recreate it on Valentine's Day. If you do, make sure you tag me in it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at beanbagchair and you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, today we're gonna start out a little bit differently. As you can see, I have on my face already and my eyebrows minus highlight because I'm gonna do that with you guys. We're really gonna be focusing on the eye today, so I didn't wanna waste any time doing my face. If you like the way my face looks, you can check the description below and I will still put all the products that I used. I also did something that I don't normally do. I used this blush, which I don't normally do, and I went really heavy on it. I also used a little bit of like bright pink eyeshadow, since this is a Valentine's Day look, you know. I'm gonna use the same Revolution highlighter palette that I always use, and I'm gonna use the pink shade at the very end, and I'm gonna take, actually, wait, first, hold on. I'm gonna set my face with NYX Dewy Finish. Ah, it got all over me. Since I went very heavy on my entire face, you know, really thick eyebrows, heavy blush, heavy everything, I put a fat ass layer of foundation on there. We're gonna also do really poppin' highlight. Yeah, we want to blind everyone. We want everybody to just look at us and, ah, I'm blind. That's what we want. We want to be so shiny that they don't even get the privilege of looking at us anymore. That's what we want. All right, we're getting there. A little bit more. And as always, whole face gets highlighted all the way up and down nose, on forehead, cheekbones, chin, and then we do like a little line under our contour, just a little bit. Okay, now I need to highlight underneath my brows because I didn't do that yet. I already cleaned them up with some foundation, but I didn't highlight them yet. I want to wax even more of them off this time. Last time I did about half. I want to do more. I want less than half of an eyebrow. It's a look, okay? You don't have to understand. How we looking? We looking shimmery AF? I think so. Okay. So moving on to the actual eyes. As I already said, I want it to be very shimmery. Boom, I'm here, hello. So we're gonna start off with one of my favorite palettes, Urban Decay's Moon Dust. Ooh. We're gonna start with putting this shade, it's called Spectre, all over my entire eyelid. I'm also gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye and bring it below as well. So now I'm gonna take my NYX Ultimate Mattes and I'm gonna take this bright pink right here. Violet, please. And I'm gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. I want this to be super pigmented and dark and bam. We love a bam eye. I'm gonna be taking this round brush and this dark purple and applying it on the outside of my eye right here. Dark and heavy, no regrets. Always remember that. Oh, and do not ever forget to wipe away the fall down, because it just takes one smudge and your whole face is now the color of your eyeshadow. Now we're gonna take this, which still has some pink on it, that's a good thing, and we're gonna blend that stuff out. There's this shade that I really like in here, and this is what I'm gonna use as a transition to blend the two together. If y'all know me, you will know that my favorite thing to do is set my face, so we gonna do that. Yes. So now that we have this, we are going to come in with our cut crease. Well, half cut crease. I'm gonna be using my Revlon Insta-Filter foundation. I glow! I'm gonna take the same round brush that I used for my purple, the color Magnetic in the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, and I'm going to fix up the end of this cut crease right here. I'm also going to go underneath my eye with the same shade, Magnetic. Cute! So now, here is the fun part. Sparkles! This palette is from Spoiled Cosmetics. This is the brush that I use to brush out my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the other end and the pinkest pink on there. Oh, hell yeah! I'm gonna be doing a wing, so when you do your sparkles, leave some space for your wing. We about to be poppin'. Now I'm gonna take my NYX white liquid liner and make a line right there to outline my cut crease. Okay, cool. Before I forget, we're gonna highlight my collarbones. And have you guys noticed that this is my favorite brush? I use this brush for everything. I use it for highlight, eyeshadow. Sometimes I use it to fix up my contour. Today I used it for blush. I use this brush for everything. I love you, boy! Now I'm contouring with my NARS-issist palette. Just so you know, I get all of my makeup from like the drugstore, or it is given to me, or I get gift cards for holidays and my birthday, and then I spend them at like Sephora. But most of my makeup is affordable, and my brushes, I get them from Amazon for the cheapest brushes that I can find. That's why they're all broken. They work. They work. And you see, that's the thing about me. Some of these people on here, their makeup is clean. Like, how do you not have fingerprints? How do you not have, like, I would have to literally scrub this. Y'all, you know your makeup at home does not look like the pristine, ethereal makeup that these beauty gurus on YouTube have. Y'all know your makeup doesn't look like that. So that's what we do here. We keep it real, 24/7, keeping it real, sometimes too real. But you know what? That's what you signed up for when you clicked on my channel. Subscribe! Anyway, now we're gonna move on to the wing. This wing should be sharp enough to cut a bitch, first of all, and long enough to reach the end of the eyeshadow. So now that we have one, let's try for the other. Okay, we a little bumpy because of the sparkles, but that's fine. I put it there, so we're gonna leave it and move on. Great. Okay, so what I like to do is kind of bring it under my eye a little bit. Like so. Now I'm gonna take my Chella lip pencil, which I have never used for my lips in my life. I always use it for my waterline, which is what I'm gonna do today. Oh yeah, that feels awesome. So as you can see, I brought it underneath my waterline a little bit. Sorry. I'm gonna like smudge it out, and I'm going to take my red. Okay, moving on to mascara. I'm gonna use Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. What I forgot to do is this NYX Vivid Brights yellow liner. I'm gonna put this underneath the black liner. Pow! Here's what I'm gonna do. Since it's been a long time since I've touched my face, I'm just gonna kind of redo my face a little bit here. Yes, here we are. We're here. Hello. Hello, it's me. I'm here. What's up? Now, finally, we're gonna move on to lips. And we are going to do a black lip because we're edgy. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using my Anastasia lip palette, the one that I always use. My dog is so funny. Violet is like exceptionally smart. She can sense what time it is, I swear. The reason she's waiting there is because she knows Miles is gonna be home any minute. And he is, he's about to be home. This is the energy I'm looking for. Miles is home. Violet. Violet. Is your daddy home? You excited? You excited? You excited? Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna make my little devil horns and tail and add some other facial accessories to complete this Valentine's Day look with a twist. This guy's a little sideways, but that's okay. Oops. I got lipstick on my elbow. There we go. Okay. The very last thing I'm gonna do to complete this look is take my NYX Crystal Liner. Where are you? It's not focusing. NYX Crystal Liner. And I'm gonna make a couple tiny little sparkly sparkles on my face. Maybe just a few here. Okay, and that completes this look for the day. Valentine's Day with a twist. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to follow my social media. I will link it all in the description below. I will also put all the products I used in the description, as well as music credits if you like this song. Subscribe!